Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install 30x80 bifold door unit. This is a closet that I made myself using 2x4s and drywall. So this door unit comes with all of the hardware you need in this small plastic bag. Now I measure the truck and it fits perfectly. Insert snugger guide. Now fasten the truck along the center line of the header using screws provided. Now it is time to install jam bracket. After installing jam bracket, now we can start installing top pivots. Install bottom pivot. And now we can finally install the door. As you can see, my door is not closing, and we can fix it just with a screwdriver. It's very simple and easy. Drill hole for door pull in center of guide door panel at suitable height. And secure the pull with a screw provided. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.